Siemens. They've been talking about spinning off partly. I mean, it's an IPO, but they'd only sell part, a minority interest in their healthcare business. Now they're going to go forward with that. What's the strategy here for Siemens?
So they have been pursuing a very interesting strategy where they sort of are forming a holding company with all of these sort of smaller versions of Siemens. And it's actually been a strategy that I think shareholders have liked because it's simplified the core of Siemens, and you can arguably get a higher valuation on these pieces when they're separated out from the whole. It's interesting because this is a model that people have looked at for GE. Could GE attempt something sort of similar? They've already kind of done that to extent with their energy business and Baker Hughes. And John Flannery, the CEO at GE, has said, that could be something they could look at for other businesses down the road. Healthcare, in particular, is one that GE analysts and investors have flagged as a potential breakout from GE. So they're going to be watching this valuation of the Siemens IPO very closely to see what sort of multiple GE could get on its own healthcare business.
Yeah, fair point. I want to talk about multiple real quick. So it looks to be about 31 billion euros, but before the volatility, it was 40 billion euros.
And it'll be interesting to see how much of that is just the volatility and if we might make some of that up over time. The other issue with Siemens business is they launched this new product line in their diagnostics business. The diagnostics business has not been great for them. They're really banking on this new product line to sort of juice revenue growth. But investors are a little bit skeptical about that. So if we see results there, that should help Siemens valuation.